Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add custom order form in home page on your Shopify online store. So, if you wanted to add custom order form on the home page on your Shopify online store, like add custom order form in a featured product, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Also, if you want to learn Shopify store design customization or development, then you are also welcome. So let's get started. So here is my Shopify online store. I always try to show you everything with real life project, and I'm going to scroll down. You see there is a very common featured product that you will find when you use featured image or featured product on your Shopify online store if you build your Shopify store with DOM theme. But my client wanted custom order from in here instead of add to cart or buy it now, this featured. So I have already created this section fully dynamically, and looks here is the option, fully dynamic option. And also if I click test email, then click on the send request, looks here, thank you. So you see when I send request, there will open a pop-up option. It don't redirect to the thank you page or other space. This also important for higher conversion or make your website user friendly. Okay, this is the front end. Now we are going to back end of this section. Here is the Shopify online store admin panel. Then click online store and click on the customize, and scroll down, looks here custom order form, and here is the image upload option, title and email. And this form directly work with your Shopify admin panel. So when someone send you request, you will get the email on that email that you have used on your Shopify admin panel. It's fully functional and work smoothly on your Shopify store. Okay, so now the most important question, that is how you can do it by yourself without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. And I always like to share the as much as easy guideline that will be helpful for you, save your money and save your time. Okay, I have already published an article in my website e-commerce thesis at featured product with custom order form in Shopify homepage, and here is the step-by-step details how you can do it, and here is the benefit. Okay, so we are going to ignore top section to share everything very quickly to save your time. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin panel, then online store, themes, action, edit code. So I'm going to my Shopify admin panel following this guideline. Then admin online store, I'm on here, admin online store. Then themes, I'm on the themes. Then action, edit code, here is the action, edit code. Okay, then you have to create a new custom order from .liquid file under section folder. So simply open section folder and create a new file, custom order from test. Just click on it and go back my website, copy the all code from here, simply copy and paste, and copy this code also, paste in here, and finally you have to click on the save. Then you will get this dynamic section at custom order from with featured product image on your Shopify online store theme, same as this one. So I hope you will follow this guideline very seriously, very carefully, and then you can do it by yourself. Also you can watch the video one more again to implement everything very smoothly. And after that, if you think you need more support, then you can comment on the below of this video and you can contact with me. You will get support from me. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.